friends, today I'm going to unbox my new Quilling Art box. Now let's see what's inside. Wow, there are so many things. So first we have gum. See? Then this is our quilling tool. Color paper strips. And one more pack. Cards. See, we have two of them. See, okay, so these are the two cards. These are the instructions. Quilling tool, and when we quill it, we should put the paper inside. Now I'm going to show you how to quill using this tool. Okay. The hole. Now let's do it. So I'm going to start drawing. I'm showing you how to make a tight coil. These are the instructions, like this. That's what I'm going to do now. If you want a loose coil, you just make it a little loose while you're doing it. Now take the gum . See, this is how a tight coil looks like. Now I'm going to show you. This is a flower that I made from these strips. Okay, now I've done a bigger work. There's a teddy bear, there's a tree and some birds. See? And here's a balloon and the sun.